Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to do one of our requests, and I got a request to do Isabelle from Animal Crossing. So, to draw Isabelle, first we want to start with her head. So I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then straight across, and then comes back up like this. Then I want to draw her hair. So starting right in between here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, and then comes up, and then goes out again, and then is going to curve all the way back to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that curves down. It's going to curve up, and then go out, and then back around like this. Now up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and over for her ponytail holder. Then I'm going to draw a line that just curls right around here and goes right to there. Then I'm going to draw a line here that curls around and goes right to there for the other part of her hair. Now for her ears. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves out and then comes all the way back up to here. Then I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curls all the way back up to here. Now, let's work on her face. So starting right here by the eyebrows, I'm going to make a line that goes up, or it goes down, then comes back up for one eyebrow. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here for the other eyebrow. Then I'm just going to draw a little oval shape that goes down and then comes back up. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then I'm just going to fill in a little bit of this because I want to leave a little bit of an oval in there. Then right in between here, I'm going to make a small oval. Then I'm going to make a little curved line for a smiley face. Then we want to draw a line that comes down a little farther to make her mouth open. Then we want to draw a little curved line in there for her tongue. I'm just going to curve these lines up just a little bit. Now, starting down here, let's draw her shirt. So right under here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then comes back up for the first part. Then I'm going to draw that same shape, and then I'm going to stop though when I get to the middle. And I want to do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to draw two lines that go down. And then I'm going to start back up here and I'm going to draw two more lines that come down. And then I'm just going to go straight across with a curve and then connect these. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle and then comes back to the shirt. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. It's going to go out and then come back. So first over here, let's draw an arm. So first, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curls back up for one arm. And then over here, I'm going to draw that same shape, but instead it's going to go up and then come back down for the other arm. Over here, I'm going to draw her skirt, so I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then I want to do the same thing over here. And then I just want to connect these with a curved line. Then for her legs, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then comes back up for one leg. And then a line over here that goes down and then comes back up for the other leg. Now for her tail. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves to the arm. And then starting here, I'm going to curve it back down towards the body. Now, on her shirt, she has 2 buttons, so I'm going to put 2 circles for her buttons. And then she also has little pockets right here on her shirt. And there you go. There is your quick and simple drawing of Isabelle from Animal Crossing. Now, she does have some more details. Things are going to be colored and whatnot, but instead of drawing those, I'm just going to color those in. And she also has a little bow here that I'm going to draw in with a marker. So keep those comments coming, guys, and I'll try my best to make sure I get everything drawn for you guys. So I'm going to start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy.